This is our workshop for producing plastic-coated steel pipes. These steel pipes will be produced into plastic-coated pipes through the equipment behind me. This place is the work area where they are produced. The finished plastic-coated steel pipe will come out from here. These are the finished plastic-lined steel pipes. The steel pipes ordered by the customer were only sprayed inside. You can also customize the whole inside and outside plastic coating. Plastic-coated steel pipes are widely used in the transportation of hot and cold water and chemical fluids due to their good corrosion resistance. We are a manufacturer specializing in the production of various steel pipes. If you have any questions about steel pipes, please feel free to contact us.